Hello everyone, today we are going to learn CTVT Diploma Level General Medicine as a third year Epidemiology subject, Unit Dynamics of Infectious Diseases Transmission Unit. Okay student, let's start our subject. Dynamics of Infectious Disease Transmission. Infectious agent, susceptible host, portal of entry, means of transmission, portal of exit, reservoirs. Chain of infection. Chain of infection is a process of infection that begins when an agent leaves its survivor through portal of exit and is conveyed by mode of transmission, then enter through an appropriate portal of entry to infect a susceptible host. Or chain of infection is a process in which a favorable condition is required for microorganism to spread or transform from reservoir to susceptible host. Dynamics of transmission. Communicable diseases are transmitted from the reservoir sources of infection to susceptible host through source reservoir. 1. 2. Modes of transmission. 3. Susceptible host. Sources of reservoirs. There are natural habits of infectious agent in which an infectious agent normally live and multiples. Examples are 1. Human reservoirs, 2. Animal reservoirs, zoonotic diseases, 3. Reservoir in non-living things. Human reservoirs. Human beings are a strong source of reservoir of infection. Most of the infectious agents are shed in their body in the form of cases or carrier. The source or reservoirs of infection for most of the communicable disease are human beings. Human beings can reserve the infectious agent in the form of cases or carrier. One. Human reservoirs. Types: incubatory, convalescent cases, carriers. Epidemiologically, according to spectrum of disease, clinical cases, subclinical cases, latent infection cases, carriers. Duration: temporary, chronic. Portal of exit: urinary, intestinal, respiratory, others. Cases. A case is defined as a person in the population or study group identified as having the particular disease, health, disorder or condition under investigation. Clinical, biochemical or laboratory techniques are used to identify the cases. Cases may be one number: primary case, index case, secondary case. Primary case: the first case of infectious disease introduced in the population. Index case: the first case that come to attention of investigator. Secondary case: cases that develop the primary cases. Cases according to spectrum of disease. Clinical case: 1 number, 2 number subclinical case, 3 number latent cases. Clinical cases: 1 number. They have a clear sign of symptom of a disease. It can transfer the disease from one person to another. The clinical case may be mild, moderate, severe, fatal. Mild cases are most important and dangerous than severe because Mild cases may move several places and transmit to another, but severe cases are confined to bed. Subclinical cases. 2 number. Asymptomatic or mildly infected that does not alert the patient. The disease agent may multiply in the host but doesn't show any sign of symptoms, but may spread infection to another. Subclinical cases are only detected by lab test. Example: measles, mumps, polio, hepatitis A, etc. 3 number. Latent cases. The host does not shed the infectious agent and lies dormant within the host without symptom. They are also not demonstrable from the lab test. Infectious are dominated by immunity power of body. Example: herpes simplex, encephalomiasis, etc. Carriers. Carriers are infected persons that harbor specific infectious agent in the absence of discernible clinical disease and serves as potential source of infection to others. Carriers are less infectious than cases. They live a normal life but can infect other individuals. Epidemiologically, they are more dangerous as these escape recognition. Carrier may be classified by 1 number types. 1 number I. Incubatory carrier. Person capable of transmitting an infectious agent during incubation period. Example: polio, mumps, hepatitis B, pertussis, influenza, etc. 2. Convalescent carrier. Person who continues to shed the disease agent during the period of convalescence. Example: typhoid fever, cholera, whooping cough, diphtheria, pertussis, etc. 3. Healthy carriers. Healthy carriers are those carriers who have disease agent spread to others even becoming healthy. Healthy carrier can be compared with latent infection. Example: polio, typhoid, cholera, etc. Continue. 2 number. According to duration. I number. Temporary carriers. Temporary carriers are those who sheds infectious agent from short period of time. All three, incubatory, convalescent and healthy, are included. Second number II. Chronic carriers or carriers who exert the infectious agent from indefinite period of long period of time. Example: typhoid fever, hepatitis B, dysentery, malaria, etc. Longer the carrier stage, the greater the risk to the community. 3 number. According to portal of exit. Carrier may be classified according to portal of exit of infectious disease. I. Urinary, II. Intestinal, III. Respiratory, 4 number. Open wound and 5 number. Blood. 2 number. Animal reservoirs. Zoonotic disease. Infection disease that are transmissible under natural condition from vertebrate animal to man. Example: rabies, plague, influenza, bovine tuberculosis, etc. Case: rabies, carrier influenza. 3 number. Reservoir in non-living things. Soil and inanimate matter can also act as reservoir of infection. Example: soil may harbor agent that causes tetanus, anthrax, water typhoid, diarrhea, etc. Mode of transmission of disease. Communicable disease transmitted from reservoir or sources of infection to susceptible host in many ways. An infectious agent transmitted from a person to another is explained by mode of transmission of diseases. Mode of transmission: direct transmission, indirect transmission. Direct transmission: direct contact, droplet infection, contact with soil, inoculation into skin or mucosa, transplant. Vertical. Indirect transmission: fecal-borne, vector-borne, mechanical, biological. Air-borne, fomite-borne, unclean hand or fingers. Microorganism sources reservoirs: human, animal, food from plant and animal sources, water, air, soil. Mode of transmission: 1 number, direct transmitted by direct contact between reservoir and host. 2 number, indirect transmission, indirect transmitted to host via intervening agents. Human host. Intervening agents: vector, animal, insect, other human. Vehicle, water, food, air, medical devices, various other inanimate objects. 1 number, direct transmission. 1. Direct physical contact from sources, reservoir to susceptible host. Example: skin to skin contact, STDs, AIDS, eye infection, trachoma, common cold, leprosy, etc. 2 number, droplet infection. It is transmitted through spread of droplets of saliva or nasopharyngeal secretion during sneezing or coughing. Example: flu, diphtheria, whooping cough, tuberculosis, meningococcal, meningitis, etc. 3 number, contact with soil. Soil contact as reservoir of infection. If we come in contact with the soil, then infectious disease can be transmitted to human directly. Example: hookworm infection, tetanus, mycosis, etc. 4. Inoculation into skin or mucosa. The disease agent inoculated directly into skin or mucosa. Example: rabies, dog bite. Hepatitis B, contaminated needle, etc. 5. Transplantal vertical. Disease transmitted by mother to child during the period of labor through the placenta. Example: toxoplasmosis, other rubella, cytomegalovirus, herpes simplex, torch, hepatitis B, HIV/AIDS, etc. 2 number, indirect transmission. 2 number 1. Vehicle-borne transmission. Vehicle-borne transmission. Those things which help to transmit disease agent from source or reservoir to susceptible host. The agent multiplies or developed in vehicle or transmit through agencies like water, vegetables, fruits, milk, milk product, ice, blood, serum, tissue or organ transplantation. Example 1. Water, diarrhea, typhoid, cholera, worm infestation. 2 number, food, food poisoning, typhoid, cholera, wound infestation. 3 number blood serum, hepatitis B, malaria, HIV, etc. 2 number vector-borne transmission. It is transmitted by different types of vector, that is arthropod, vertebrate vector, mite, rat, bat, living carrier that transport infectious agent to a susceptible individual. It may be 1 number mechanical transmission. When a vector simply carries pathogenic microorganisms or other body and transfers them to food, there is no development of multiplication of infectious agent inside the vector. Example, flies and cockroaches. 2 number biological transmission. The infectious agent multiplies and develops in a vector. Example, 1 number plague, bacilli. 2 number malaria parasite. 3 number microfilaria in mosquito. 3 number airborne transmission is carried in air in the form of droplets and dust. Example, tuberculosis, influenza, chickenpox, measles, viruses, spores of fungi, etc. 4 number fomite-borne. These are inanimate substances other than water or food contaminated by the infectious discharge from patient or capable of harboring or transferring the infectious agent to a healthy person. It includes cloth, towels, cup plates, pencils, surgical instrument, door handles, money, etc. Example, diphtheria, typhoid, bacillary dysentery, hepatitis A, eye and skin infection. Main form of transmission: horizontal, direct, indirect. Vertical form of transmission: in utero, during birth, colostrum, suckled milk, offspring. 3 number susceptible host. The person who is at risk for developing an infectious disease. This is the target point of chain of infection. Factor making persons susceptible are immunosuppression, condition like HIV, chemotherapy and malnutrition. 3 number large number load of infectious agent enter the host. 3 number age. Young and elderly are more at risk. 4 number underlying chronic disease such as diabetes. Breaking the chain. 1 number infectious agent. Early diagnosis and treatment. Cleaning, disinfection and sterilization. Infection prevention policies. Immunization, waste disposal, laws, pest control. Breaking the chain. 2 number reservoir of infection. Cleaning, disinfection and sterilization. Infection prevention policies, pest control, environmental sanitation. 3 number portal of exit. Hand hygienic, personal protective equipment, respiratory etiquette, regular checkup. Mode of transmission: hand hygienic, personal protective equipment, food safety, cleaning, disinfection, sterilization, isolation. Toilet barrier, safe water barrier. Faces of infected person: fluids, field floor, flies, fingers, and all those goes to food and new host is determined. Hygienic barrier. 5 number portal of entry. hand hygienic, personal protective equipment, personal hygiene, alertness, susceptible host, immunization, patient education. Quiz. 1 number. Identify the parts of chain of infection that has been eliminated by following action. Catheters care. A number. Mode of transmission, portal of exit, portal of entry. 2 number. Identify the parts of chain of infection that has been eliminated by the following action. Food handling, infectious agent, source, reservoir, mode of transmission. 3 number. Identify the parts of chain of infection that has been eliminated by the following actions. Hand washing, susceptible host, mode of transmission, portal entry. 4 number. Identify the parts of chain of infection that has been eliminated by the following action. Identification of organism. A number. Portal of exit, infectious agent, portal of entry. 5 number. Identify the parts of chain of infection that has been eliminated by the following action. Personal protective equipment. A number. Source, reservoir. B. Portal of exit. C. Portal of entry. 6 number. Identify the parts of chain of infection that has been eliminated by the following action. Sterilization, sources of reservoirs, mode of transmission, portal of entry, portal of exit, mode of transmission, infectious agent. 7 number. Identify the parts of chain of infection that has been eliminated by the following actions. Employee health. A number. Source, reservoirs. B number. Susceptible host. C number. Infectious agent. 8 number. Identify the parts of chain of infection that has been eliminated by the following action. Recognition of high risk patient, infectious agent, portal of entry, source of reservoir. 9 number. Identify the parts of chain of infection that has been eliminated by the following action. Recognition of high risk patient. A number. Source, reservoir. B number. Susceptible host. C number. Infectious agent. 10 number. Identify the parts of chain of infection that has been eliminated by the following actions. Early recognition of sign of infection, infectious agent, portal of entry, sources of reservoirs. And the answer are included back of all the questions. Thank you very much. You will learn another lesson in another video.